When it comes to comparing solar attic fans and turbine vents, there are a few key points to consider. Solar attic fans offer several advantages over turbine vents, primarily due to their ability to move significantly higher airflow. Turbine vents often claim to move up to 300 CFM, but in reality they typically only move around 10 to 30 CFM. On the other hand, solar attic fans can move up to 20 times more airflow, thanks to the use of a motor that actively forces air movement. This mechanical airflow allows for a much higher rate of air exchange in your attic, helping to keep it cooler. The increased airflow provided by solar attic fans ensures that your attic stays within 5 to 10 degrees of the outside temperature. This level of temperature control is difficult to achieve with turbine vents alone. However, you can actually use both the turbine vent and a solar attic fan together for even better results. The fan will help pull air from the outside, passing it through the turbine vent and into the attic, creating a more effective ventilation system. While both options can contribute to cooling and ventilating your attic, if you had to choose one, a solar attic fan is the more capable choice. Its ability to move a significantly higher amount of air combined with the active air movement provided by the motor makes it far more effective in maintaining the attic temperature and ventilation. For more information on solar attic fans and the models that are offered by us, please visit our website at QuietCoolSystems.com.